Good morning, you guys. So today is the morning of Carnival. Currently, right now, me and Justin are just setting up in the Airbnb because that's what we do. So we're just setting up. Basically, I'm just gonna put the things that I know I'm gonna use frequently on the top. Sorry, I can feel my camera trying to focus a lot. Justin will be recording for me. So yeah, I'm hoping and praying today goes smoothly. I have 9 back-to-back people already. The first person of the day, I don't know what's gonna happen because she just texted me to let me know that she just left a party, because that's how Carnival is. It's like back to back to back to back. So if you want, you could basically be out all night. And normally that wouldn't have been a problem, but I have people back to back to back to back, because I know I could do what I gotta do in the time frame that I gotta get it done at. But so for me, having them back to back is no biggie. So just to show you guys a little bit of the setup, we are in an Airbnb. This is my zoom lens, so I don't know if it's gonna focuses on Justin. So we have my MAC travel bag right here. Justin's gonna pick it up and put it on the table. There's the lash bin, all my bronzers, all that great stuff. More bins of makeup, UV. The chair's gonna go right here, and the light's gonna go in the middle of the hall, and we're just gonna move it. So this is the whole vibes for Carnival right now. We're not actually going, and I don't regret it, because I'm gonna tell you this, we are so tired. This is the same weekend as my birthday, so we went to South Beach yesterday and we had a really good time, but then we had to rush, and then we had to come here because I'm actually at an Airbnb and we need to set up for clients. So the whole place is set up, really love it. This lady, I'm gonna leave her Airbnb information below. Her Airbnb is lit. I could tell that my lens is dirty, so I'm not just gonna clean that, but I really don't know how to do that. So then my lens is dirty. And if you guys wonder why my hands look like this, my hands are not dirty. I have tan hands. I also have I know that people are like, ew, but I did some self-tanning because I wanted to be bronze on the beach, and I did some on my face. It kind of wore off, but yeah, throw my bonnet off, shake her off. I got shirts made for everybody. However, we don't know where the other ones went. Basically today, pray for us. I'm hoping today goes really good, because already, I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little bit stressed, but I'm gonna go wash my hands again, try to get some more of this tan off, and I'll show you. The next clip will be when we start doing makeup. Wow. Oh, but they don't open. Oh, they're open. 7. Sure. And one more time. Girl, lashes on what? 10. Please. 100. Whoa. Stop it. Stop playing on me. Nah. Every time I come, whoa. Nah, you're not good. Bye.